Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual, on this pullback within the top 10 leading cryptocurrencies, except for Chainlink. Not Chainlink, though. Chainlink doesn't care. It's pumping on its own. Good for Chainlink holders. Anyways, that's not what we're here to talk about today. Let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. You are going to love this one. First off, between the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, we do have a almighty Cobb triangle. And I don't know if we could really even validly call it this, but it's kind of looking like it's a bear flag. Let's see what happens. But all I'm noticing is we are getting very, very volatile price action where we used to not be very volatile at all. We are getting nice coiling consolidation very frequently within this triangle here. We got this nice little zone of support going for us, which used to be resistance here, as you can see. And then we also have this nice zone of resistance, which has just been built up recently. And now we are kind of trading in somewhat of a triangle. As you can see, we went for further downside today. We ended up doing a lower high, doing a nice little scam wick down all the way to 25 cents. So this is going to be very interesting to see how this plays out over the course of the next few weeks, because honestly, I think XRP is going to have some V-shaped recovery, and we are going to be back into the 40, 50, 60 cent range in no time. And then definitely this year, we will be back in the multiple dollars per XRP. That's just my personal belief. So this triangle will be ending. So see, this guy named Pablo, who was a very prominent technical analyst in the stream for a while. He does not come around very often anymore, but he always stated that once triangles are about 70% of the way in, that is when they are most likely to either break to the upside or the downside. And then I'd say we're about 60 to 65% of the way in on this triangle. And also at the same time, it's an inverse head and shoulders being played here with very, very tight coiling consolidation, which is what we love to see at yearly support, especially the volatility compared to what it used to be before at this level. It was not volatile at all prior. Very, very volatile now. So Inauguration Day on the 20th, that is about 75% triangle completion. So I do imagine by Inauguration Day, we should be having either a break to the upside or the downside. I am leaning more towards the upside because, you know, my confirmation bias, I am very, very long on XRP with a nice bag. So Inauguration Day, I think there will be more turmoil. I for sure think there will be more turmoil. I don't think this is going to be peaceful at all. I think shit's just going to get worse. It's going to go bad. Everyone's going to be freaking out in person and on social media. So anytime there is turmoil within the largest country, or well, largest economy in the world, I think it's very, very good for cryptocurrency and precious metals. Like when all this, you know, the U.S. Capitol raid, all that stuff happened, man, Bitcoin was ripping it, and it hit 40K on like that same day. And also on that same day, we had the cryptocurrency total market cap cross $1 trillion. So, man, guys, eyes on the 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour chart, because we got a mighty triangle at yearly support. So I am looking for this to break to the upside. Maybe pull back here, consolidate in the 60 cent region, and definitely get deeper into the dollar range, because to really be caught up to speed with the other altcoins, like XRP should be about $1.50 to $2 right now, which is very realistic. So as you guys know, we got 21 lawyers. I was about to say 21 ripples. 21 lawyers on Ripple's side in this SEC case. We know we got 5 for Chris Larson, 4 for Brad Garlinghouse. The rest is for Ripple Labs. And I found something on Twitter today. Now, I already previously knew that we had people fighting for Ripple that used to work at the SEC. I already knew that. But I didn't know this. Mary Jo White. Okay? See right there. Fighting for Ripple in this case. Mary Jo White, who has previously served as the chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission and United States Attorney for the Southern District of New York, is senior chair of the firm, a litigation partner in the New York office of, I'm not going to try to pronounce that, and leader of the firm's Strategic Crisis Response and Solutions Group. Prior to rejoining the firm in 2017, Ms. White served for nearly 4 years as the chair of the SEC. Literally served as the chairman of the SEC, or well, we could really say chairwoman. So guys, I was aware we had people who worked at the SEC fighting alongside Ripple, but I didn't have any clue that a former chairman of the regulatory agency itself is fighting for Ripple in this court case. You pair that along with the dude who just left, who was like the offense team, I forget what they call it, the director of enforcement. Like that guy was like the offense of the SEC. That guy's gone. The main dude in the SEC, Jay Clayton, he's freaking gone. The new guy coming in, Gary Gensler, is very, very knowledgeable in Ripple and the XRP ledger. I mean, this just keeps getting better and better by the day. A former SEC chairman who also, you must note, that was one of the commission's longest serving chairs. So, yeah, she is very, very important and key in this lawsuit. You gotta be kidding me. A former chairman? A former chairman of the SEC is fighting alongside Ripple. This just keeps getting better. Next one. I never thought I would see this. Mainstream media. Forbes. 5 New Year's resolutions for cryptocurrency. The Senate should confirm an SEC chair who is open or at least neutral to cryptocurrency and financial innovation. That is going to be Gary Gensler, who is coming in, and I showed you guys a video I think 2 videos back from this one. I did show you guys a 2-minute video clip. My God, that guy, Gary Gensler, he is very, very knowledgeable in the relationship between Ripple and XRP. Stop the turf wars between financial regulatory agencies. Congress should work in a bipartisan fashion to adopt a rational, common-sense approach to cryptocurrency. And then Forbes just straight up comes out and says the SEC should withdraw its lawsuit against Ripple. I never thought in a million years I would see mainstream media defending Ripple against the SEC in public. The SEC should withdraw its lawsuit against Ripple. And then the main reasoning here, it's like the fatal flaw is relying on a Howey test from 1946. It's like, come on, government. Come on. Really? A technology that was just created, well, now we could say last decade. You're really going to base it on a rule from the 1940s. That is some bullshit. So it just keeps getting better, guys. We got Forbes now defending Ripple. We got a former SEC chair defending Ripple in court, and we're just going to win against the SEC, guys. I just, gut feeling, again, this could be totally my confirmation bias, but I just don't see how we're going to lose this. This is a top-of-the-line, billion-dollar disrupting tech company looking to disrupt the global financial system with 21 total lawyers on their side, and then you just got this disorganized government agency that is constantly cycling through leadership that has 3 lawyers on their side. So, we're not losing. Guys, we're not losing. I'm sorry, but we're not going to lose this one. We are going to win this case. This is just the necessary regulatory hurdle we must get through this marathon. It's going to be tough. You just got to take this freaking Band-Aid, rip it off quick, deal with the pain, deal with the sting. But man, I have nothing but confidence that we are going to either win this case or the case is going to be thrown out through the new SEC leadership. I mean, come on. How scummy does a government agency have to be to initiate a lawsuit against Ripple and then say, okay, guys, bye-bye the next day? The next day, Jay Clayton says bye-bye and just leaves. I mean, come on. This is a clear manipulation move by the whales to just get our XRP for dirt cheap because they know damn well we are heading into that next full-on 3-stage parabolic bull cycle. Okay, guys, I did not mean for this video to be just over 10 minutes long exactly. That is purely coincidence. But thank you guys so much for tuning the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribe. Keep an eye on this almighty Cobb triangle. And someone in the stream was saying that if you go back to July 2020 to November on the 3-hour chart, it actually looks very similar to what's going on right now with the price action. It's quite similar actually, because this was like the whole COVID crash, the rebound, tight coiling consolidation, support game, playing support, previous high break, pull back, consolidate, tightly coil, boom, bang into the upside, 30 cents. And then inevitably, or we did that like same thing kind of again, major upside. And then what do we have now? Another deep crash, and then we just got this inverse head and shoulders triangle formation at yearly support. And I think we have no problem getting this quick V-shaped recovery, break previous high, break all-time high, hit $10 a coin, pull back to like $2 to $3. Everyone's crying, panicking, consolidate, coil, consolidate, boom, burst up to $60, $70, and then, you know what, bear market after that. So, guys, it is tough being an XRP holder, but just got to keep moving forward. Because, look, as a disruptor, we're investing in technology that's looking to disrupt the entire global financial system. Like, you think we aren't going to be played around with a little bit? You think they want all us average Joe retail investors in this? No. The same institutions we're selling up here, we're definitely buying down here. Specifically Grayscale. Added major to their bags recently down at these levels. So, guys, next bull cycle is confirmed. You guys know how it is. XRP's last to pump, pumps the hardest. Stay strong. Stay accumulating. And I'll see you guys in the next one.